Namaste everyone. In today's video, we're going to focus on Muni Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 4.13. Now in this particular Yoga Sutra, Muni Patanjali is helping us to understand why exactly the past and future are considered to be prakritic in nature and how this impacts their overall understanding by the yoga sadhak. So let's take a good look at the sutra, start breaking it up word by word and understanding what exactly it stands for. So the sutra itself goes, Te vyakta sukshma gunatmanaha. Alright, so this is the sutra itself. Now let's start understanding even deeper what it stands for and what it's talking about. So the first word here is Te, which refers to Dhe, alright? So it's talking about the previous sutra. And then coming to the next word, it is Vyakta, which means manifest, alright? So very obvious, very manifest. Then the next word over here is Sukshma. And Sukshma, like we've been studying, refers to something that's subtle or that is unmanifested. And the final word over here is Guna Atmana, which essentially means of the nature of the gunas. So now that we've understood the meaning of each of these words, and this was quite a compact sutra once again, we're now going to get into understanding what it's trying to say. So essentially it's saying that the manifestation of these past and future activities come about because we are seeing them either in the manifest or the unmanifest form. And those objects of manifest and unmanifest are usually prakritic or of the gunas in nature. And because of that, they're subject to change. And therefore, because they belong to the realm of Prakriti, we see these two pole entities of the future and the past. So now that we know this, let us deeply understand the sutra and try to see what more can we understand from its basic meaning. So essentially the sutra is saying that at any given point of time, so for example, in the present moment, a particular object can be vyakta, which means it's completely manifested in its full form, or it could be sukshma, which means that it is latent. So if it's vyakta and fully manifested, that's great. We can see it, we know it's present. But if something is sukshma or latent, either that was earlier manifest in the past, or that is going to manifest in the future. So Sukshma holds a lot of potential for what could have been and what can happen in the future, right? So Sukshma holds that potential. Something that is Vyakta, on the other hand, can become unmanifest or Sukshma in the future, and it could have been unmanifest or Sukshma in the past. So these are the ways in which we can understand what's happening in the present moment and that relationship between the state of an object in the present moment versus its relationship to the past and to the future. And all the terms that we're using here are essentially Vyakta and Sukshma, or manifest and unmanifest. And these terminologies are helping us to understand how genuinely nothing is created or destroyed, but it literally just transforms or changes the way in which it is appearing from unmanifest to manifest and manifest to unmanifest. And then that cycle just continues. So because these elements of Vyakta and Sukshma, they all are of the nature of the gunas. And we know that the gunas belong to the realm of Prakriti. We've studied this in Sankhya theory. So since we know that, we understand that, they belong to the realm of Prakriti, therefore they're undergoing all these natural changes of manifest, unmanifest, etc. And this is an essential understanding because once we know this and we're certain that this change in manifestation and unmanifestation is because of Prakriti, then we're very clear that it belongs to the realm of Prakriti and we're not talking about the Purusha realm over here. So this is again very helpful and important for the yoga sadhak who has come so far in his or her journey into the Kaivalyadhama region, where he or she needs to know that, okay, if these changes are happening and time is an illusion and we're saying that things manifest and unmanifest, they pop up, then they go back. So why does that happen? And then we learn that it happens because everything that is manifesting and unmanifesting belongs to the realm of Prakriti, whose essential nature it is to change. So change is the only constant is absolutely right in that sense, but change is the only constant in the realm of Prakriti, not in the realm of Purusha. And that is the most important understanding that we're gaining through this particular sutra. So I hope you've been able to understand the Sutra 4.13. It is quite a short and cute sutra because it was very easy to go through it. But I have to say that this is just, the surface level. This is just the top of the iceberg. We go much deeper into the depth and understanding of the sutras in our classes, courses, and workshops. So if that's something you're interested in, please feel free to hit the links in the description, and we would love to see you in our class. Apart from that, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and let us know what you thought, and also share this video with your friends and family, as well as subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future updates. Now, we look forward to seeing you in the next video or the next workshop. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and we're going to see you very soon. Namaste.